Hey guys, I'm Prem, the India Tech Guy, and this is the new video after a year also. So let's get started. So let's do one small tech update. So we have a new camera EOS M with CCTV lens, which is 35mm 1.7 lens, so which I'm shooting right now. And my friend got a Zoom H1, so I just took it because friends. And I connected that EOS M to what you call my monitor, so that I know I'm in focus because it is a manual lens and I'm shooting alone, so I need to know that I'm in focus. If not, the whatever I shot will be useless. And even right now I think I'm in focus. And this side we have an LED DIY LED lamp. Okay, so we're going to do some small talk. So I'm going to see some small things. So first of all, I'm an architect and I am an architect now. I just finished my degree, so and I'm also working in office, and I also done my internship in Mumbai. So I was in Mumbai for 9 months, and we got a new camera and some small equipment, so that when I start my YouTube account, it's not starting from the point where I left. It should be like small bit of improvement, and I'm recording in RAW. So yeah, EOS M can record RAW. So I know RAW is not needed for this kind of video, but when you can, then why not? So I'm recording RAW, and it's feel good to be back on YouTube after such a long time. I'm making videos, so I'm very nervous because I totally forgot how to talk in front of a camera, and not to see the camera, to see the audience from this lens, so that I can talk to you eye to eye, not just like, hi, how are you, I'm welcome to my YouTube channel, not like that. Talk right into your eyes. Hi, I'm Solanki, and this is the India Tech Guy, in this way. So it's taking a bit of time. I have a lot of video planned, but I have to see my career also in my architecture, so it's taking time, but some different brands. I like reviewing stuff, but that gone so mainstream, so I'm trying to do something different, because you can find reviews for almost everything and I don't think I'll do better reviews than already people for making reviews. So no reviews as of now of new things, maybe old things, because the people don't usually re-review the old equipment like this EOS M. I want to review EOS M. Very few people have done a review on EOS M from India, I guess. India, it is like, to find this camera in India is kind of a rare piece. Hopefully, like, somehow we got this camera and we just bought it, and I waited 1 month to shoot this video because I was waiting for this 35mm 1.7 lens, because I want to be bokeh. Okay. I have the normal lens, but I thought, like, what's the point? I want this blur thing. And the audio part, my DM entity is working, but I thought I should increase the audio part also, but I didn't have money. Hopefully, thankfully, my friend bought a GH1 and I'm using it because he doesn't use that much, so I can use it. And what more I have planned? Like, I have some videos to plan, but there's no point of talking about them because there is a 90% chance I will not do and 10% chance I'll do. So if I announce here, it will be pressure on me, and it didn't work in past because I already announced thing I had never released. So I just prefer now just I'll make it and just show it. Why I'm making this video? Because to make any other video I need to do preparation, and for this kind of video I don't need to do any preparation, so I can just talk bluntly to you and here we go, I made a video, something like that. I need to make a video so that I can make I'll make more videos. So I need to start from somewhere else. So I thought just I'll talk about myself. I'm an architect, and so if you want me to design your home, you can approach me, and we will design a nice home, shop, or anything like landscape, niche, office, anything you can design, because I'm an architect. How many times I said, like 4 or 5 times that I'm an architect. But I also want to be YouTube because I like to be YouTuber, but sometimes be. So the next video you can expect is kind of any camera related videos or something very DIY videos, because I think there's a new market going on. There's kind of a nice gap. There is a gap in a genuine DIY video. So I'll approach that kind of area. And some tech videos. I like to take videos because I'm a tech nerd. I hope I'm seeing inside the lens. I'm nervous. So that's it for this video. Comment in the below if you have something to say, hi, anything. And that's it. I'll see you in my next video.